A lot of sand here I gotta be careful with. If we can get onto this shit. Sand. Just kinda be nice and easy with it. Alright. Oh shit. That was a mistake. Remove the evidence of being a racist. Oh no. What does that mean? Okay. We good? Seems like it. Just gonna go nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. I'm gonna get the fuck out of this island before some other shit happens. I came here for ice cream and show you guys the beach and shit. Oh, fuck that shit. I'm gonna go home and sleep. The humbling sleep.